Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're making compost. So this is our nice compost. It feeds the soil and the plants. Do you make compost? Because we're going to show you now. This is compost how we use it. Before, it looked like this. So this is the stuff that you could put in your compost. Grass clippings, onion cells, rotten tomato, apples, rotten apples, eggplant top, and is there anything else? Corn peels and coffee grounds. So all you need to do is just dump it out, then pile everything. So all of our veggie scraps and grass clippings, we all put in here, so then it could turn into nice warm compost. It isn't finished yet, but it's gonna take a couple more months, because we've been making this pile for a few months now. So when you build your pile, it needs 3 things. 1, you need air by flipping it. The second thing you need in your compost is water. The third thing you need in your compost is worms. Wow! We use the compost to make our plants big and strong. These are fall cucumbers. I don't think I showed them to you yet. And by the way, I'm mulching them. So if you like my videos, please make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have friends that don't know about me, I would love if you could tell them about me. Bye.